Okay. All right, this is question 23. Know that 3 looks like a 5, but whatever. So we are given two functions. We are given the function y is equal to x squared, and we are given the function y is equal to 2x minus x squared. Now, the first thing when I'm looking at this question, the first thing I notice is that obviously we have to find the area enclosed by these two functions. So we're going to need to know this point, and we're going to need to know this point. Well, we can do this by setting these functions equal to each other. So we have x squared, our first function, is equal to our second function, 2x minus x squared. Now, this is just simplification, so we can go plus 2 on this, or plus x squared on this side, plus x squared on this side. This gives us 2x squared is equal to 2x. The 2's, we can divide both sides by 2. We are given 2x is equal to x. Now, the easiest way to look at this is just, oops, drop my pen. The easiest way to look at this is to just know that there's only two possible numbers that this thing could fit for. So we have 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and 0 times 0 is equal to 0. So we can state that that x is equal to 0 or 1. And notice how x cannot be equal to negative 1, because negative 1 squared gives you 1, which is not equal to negative 1. Okay, so we're given our 2 points. We're given 0 and we're given 1. Now looking back at our graph, we notice that they intersect at 0, and they intersect with this mystery point, which is now no longer mystery. It is 1. X is equal to 1. So now we are given our boundaries for this integral, so we can write down the integral as so. That's not a very good integral sign. There you go. Our upper limit is 1. It's the highest number, and then our lower limit is 0, lowest number. So we have two functions. We will do the highest one first. So we notice that this one is on the top, and that function is 2x minus x squared. So we'll do 2x minus x squared. We'll integrate this first, and then minus our second function, which is our lower function, which is x squared. Now, to integrate this, we can do each side separately, where we can do this one first. So the integral of 2x, we notice that it's 2 over, this is a 1 plus 1, x squared minus 1 over 3x cubed minus 1 over 3x cubed. All right, so now we can apply our upper limit and our lower limit to this integral. So that becomes 2. Notice how 2 over 1 plus 1 is just 1, so actually it will not be. It can be 1x squared minus 1 over 3x cubed minus 1 over 3x cubed. We can expand this. We can put our 1 in first. This becomes 1 squared minus 1 over 3 minus minus 0 squared minus 0. And then we can do our next side over here, which is 1 over 3, 1 squared minus 0. Okay. So notice that 1 squared minus 1, 3 is equal to 2 over 3. 2 over 3 minus, this whole thing is just 0, minus again 1 over 3 plus 0. Zeros don't mean anything. So we have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3, which is equal to 1 over 3, which is the answer. Area is equal to 1 over 3.